Polite probing. Mastering the art of respectful follow-up questions in English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of conversation: formulating polite and respectful follow-up questions. We'll uncover how you can keep conversations going while maintaining a courteous and considerate tone. So, let's dive right in. Formulating polite follow-up questions is a crucial skill in English conversations. Not only do these questions show that you're interested in the other person's thoughts or experiences, but they also allow you to learn more and broaden the conversation. Remember, the key to politeness is showing genuine interest, using respectful language, and avoiding any intrusive or overly personal questions. The choice of words is important when formulating a polite follow-up question. We can use phrases like, "Could you please?" "Would you mind?" or "I was wondering if," to soften our questions and show respect. For example, instead of saying, "Tell me more about your job," you could say, "Could you please tell me more about your job?" It's a small change, but it makes a significant difference in tone. While it's great to show interest in the other person, it's crucial to avoid questions that may be considered too personal or intrusive. A good rule of thumb is to steer clear of topics such as income, personal relationships, or health unless the other person has openly discussed them. You can stick to open-ended questions about hobbies, favorite foods, or travel experiences to keep the conversation light and friendly. Always respect the other person's comfort level and privacy. When the person you're speaking with answers your question, it's important to show that you appreciate their response. You can do this by validating their experiences or opinions and encouraging further conversation. Phrases like, "That's really interesting," "I can see why you'd think that," or "That must have been a great experience," are great ways to validate responses. That's all for today's lesson on formulating polite and respectful follow-up questions. This skill is a key component in maintaining pleasant English conversations and showing consideration for the person you're speaking with. Remember to choose your words carefully, avoid overly personal topics, and always validate and appreciate the responses you receive. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next English language learning video.